on our way to Lower Bay, Bequia. We just passed through the harbour. Very, very busy on this Easter Sunday. And everywhere we've gone, we've had one taxi guy. He's been extremely reliable. Sometimes you call him and he's like seconds away, like so convenient. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to introduce you to him now. This is Tough Taxi. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah.
So tell us about Bequia, man. You've been here for like what, your entire life?
Yeah, all my life, yeah. Bequia is a very beautiful place. It's a nice place to be, especially when it's time for the regattas, like now, for the Easter. Yeah, so you get some sailboat racing, then we have things like gunboat racing, coconut boat race, egg hunts, a lot of stuff to explore on the island, especially around this time for the Easter weekend. Yeah, it's been great so far.
Yeah. How long you operating taxis now?
3-4 years now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's a good experience, yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Nice, man. Have you taken in any of the activities though? Or are you just working?
Yeah, I was busy working. Yeah, a lot of activities that happened before, didn't get to participate because I have to deal with my customers.
Nice.
Yeah, customers first.
We made it to Lower Bay Bequia. There's a lot of people, a lot of excitement, a lot of food. So there's so much buzz going on, so much activity. You saw what just happened there. So we're gonna check it out. The Onshore Committee is being supported by the SVG Tourism Authority and SVG SAILING Week. There's some activity. They're gonna be playing games, have giveaways, there's music, vibes, a lot of entertainment. So let's go check it out. What an amazing weekend it has been in Bequia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. It has been a jam-packed, exciting, adventurous 3 days for us here, and the SVG Sailing Week has been a total of 8 days, which ends tomorrow. Unfortunately, this is where we wrap up our adventure in Bequia. I want to thank you so much for watching all of our videos, for sharing and commenting. I want to thank the sponsor, major sponsor for SVG Sailing Week, the National Lotteries Authority, for contributing towards sports and culture in this meaningful way. Right now, I am on the beach just taking in the sun and the sand and the warm waters, and there are so many people here just enjoying themselves. Whether you come to Bequia for SVG Sailing Week to relax, for the Easter festivities, for the food, the culture, the people, the gunboat racing, whatever it is, Bequia nice. Bequia real nice. My name is Crystal, this is BC3 TV, channel 114, your sports and culture network, and it's been wonderful. Congratulations once again to all the sailors, everybody who came from the United States, Trinidad, Grenada, Barbados, wherever you were from, you sailed here to take part in our festivities. See you again next year. If you didn't make it next year, this year, be sure to join us. Book your flights early, get your accommodation early, and come to Bequia.